A 2019 study by the Technical University of Munich and the Massachusetts Institute of Technology found that the Bitcoin network generates an amount of CO2 similar to a large Western city or an entire developing country like Sri Lanka. But a University of Cambridge study last year estimated that on average, 39% of proof-of-work crypto mining was powered by renewable energy, primarily hydroelectric energy. There had been some concern among Bitcoin investors that Tesla would sell some or all of its Bitcoin holdings, but Musk indicated in a tweet Wednesday that Tesla was sticking with its investment. But some companies are using Bitcoin. The digital payment company Square and its CEO Jack Dorsey, also the CEO of Twitter, have been big proponents of Bitcoin. Overstock.com also accepts Bitcoin, and in February, BNY Mellon, the oldest bank in the US, said it would include digital currencies in the services it provides to clients. And MasterCard said it would start supporting select cryptocurrencies on its network. Bitcoin has become popular enough that more than 300,000 transactions typically occur in an average day, according to Bitcoin wallet site blockchain.info. Still, its popularity is low compared with cash and credit cards. There is skepticism around Bitcoin? Yes, plenty of it. Tracking Bitcoin's price is obviously easier than trying to figure out its value, which is why so many institutions, experts and traders are skeptical about it and cryptocurrency in general. Digital currencies were seen as replacements for paper money, but that hasn't happened so far. Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell has said the central bank prefers to call cryptocurrencies crypto assets, because their volatility undermines their ability to store value, a basic function of a currency. While some banks and financial services companies are getting in on it, others are staying away. Could a digital currencies sell-off cause widespread damage? Regulators aren't very worried about a possible crash in digital currencies dragging down the rest of the financial system or economy. Even with the recent sell-off, digital currencies have a market value of about $1.72 trillion, according to the website coinmarketcap.com. But that pales compared with the $46.9 trillion stock market, $41.3 trillion residential real estate market and nearly $21 trillion treasury market at the start of the year. The European Central Bank said Wednesday that the risk of cryptocurrencies affecting the financial system's stability looks limited at present. In large part, that's because they're still not widely used for payments and institutions under its purview still have little exposure to crypto-linked instruments. Earlier this month, the Federal Reserve said a survey of market contacts found roughly 1 in 5 cited cryptocurrencies as a potential shock to the system over the next 12 to 18 months. That's a turnaround from the fall, when a similar survey found none mentioning cryptocurrencies. How much oversight is there? Washington officials have been talking about regulating digital currencies more, and worries about a heavier hand have played a role in the recent swoon in prices. Gary Gensler, who took over as chairman of the Securities and Exchange Commission last month, has said that cryptocurrency markets would benefit from more oversight to protect investors. In a hearing before the House's Financial Services Committee earlier this month, Gensler said neither the SEC nor the Commodity Futures Trading Commission, which he used to head, has a regulatory framework for trading on cryptocurrency exchanges yet. He said he thought Congress would ultimately have to address it because there's really not protection against fraud or manipulation. How Bitcoin came to be, it's a mystery. Bitcoin was launched in 2009 by a person or group of people operating under the name Satoshi Nakamoto. Bitcoin was then adopted by a small clutch of enthusiasts. Nakamoto dropped off the map as Bitcoin began to attract widespread attention. But proponents say that doesn't matter, the currency obeys its own internal logic.